Okay, this is AutoCAD Part 3 that we're going to do, the Ortho ISO for. It's very similar to Part 2, but slightly different. So let's go ahead and get started on that. So I'm going to go back over here to AutoCAD. I'm going to go use my master border sheet. I'm going to double click on it and open it, and immediately save it as Part 3. So I just come up here and say Ortho ISO Part 3. That 3 in there, hit OK. Immediately I will come down here to this and go ahead and change that because I don't want to forget this at the end. Now I got that set. I'll come over here to my sheet layer. Okay, I've got that one. Then we go to Ortho ISO. Let's pull this over here, get my line command, and I'll go ahead and start drawing those lines. So I'll come across here, escape, spacebar to repeat that command, come down to here, snap to that, escape, spacebar to repeat that command. Okay, hit escape, spacebar to repeat that command again. Now this time I'm just going to come down to basically right about here. Okay, hit escape. Now what I want to do is I want to go ahead and do an offset, and this time I'm going to give it a distance of 2.5. I'll grab this guy here, come across, I'll hit escape, pound sign to repeat the command. This time I'm going to say 0.75, and I'm going to grab this line and go up, grab this line here and go to the right. Now again, escape, spacebar. This time I'm going to copy this line down 1.25. I'm going to copy this line right here down 1.25. So snap on it, there it is. We'll go up to the trim command and we'll just start trimming. Come all the way around here like this, come up, go this way, go this way, go this way, this way, and I'll trim this guy here out too. Don't need that one actually anymore. So let's go ahead and trim this out. Okay, we got a lot of work done, so let's go ahead and save our file. All right. So now let's kind of look at that file, Part 3. Let's go back over here and look at that. Yeah, it's pretty simple. It's the same thing as the other one, except it has this feature right here at the bottom. It's the same on this side here, so let's knock that out. Okay, so now I'm going to go find the midpoint here. Go find the midpoint there. Come up, come down. Okay, hit escape. I'm going to basically get the line command again by hitting spacebar. Come down here to this midpoint. Come over here to that midpoint so it registers the horizontal green line. Come across here. Okay, we'll hit spacebar again. Come up here and grab this. Come around here like that. And there we go. So if we go back to our reference file, pretty much just did everything right there. So it looks good. So let's go ahead and move on to the ISO. So I'll double click on ISO. Get my line command. Oh, this, you're always set to 3060/90 because you set that up in the master file. So we're going to come down here 2.5, and what I'm going to do on this one is I'm going to go ahead and go back this way, 0.75, enter, come up this way, 1.25, enter, go back this way to 2.5, come back over here like this. I'm just going to make sure I'm on that line, say 0.75. Come down here like this, hit OK. Hit escape, spacebar again. This time I'm going to go ahead and make myself, I'm going to say 1.25, okay? And I'm going to come down here, well, first of all, let me go this way. I'm going to go 0.375, because that's half of 3/4. I'm going to come down here, 1.25. I'll come over here and snap to that, okay? Hit escape, spacebar, get that line command again, and go straight down. Now what I want to do is I want to go ahead and check a measurement. So let's go back over here to this, and this says it's 1.25 right here, 1.25. So half of that is going to be 5/8. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to hit escape. I'll come over here to the midpoint, do a line command, and hit line. I'll snap here, and I'll come up point. Actually, I'm going to do it differently. I'll come over here to this line, hit my line command, spacebar again. I'll come down 6, 0.625. Let me do that again. 0.625. I think I keyed it in right that time. Go back this way, 1.25. Enter. Come over here to this and snap. Go back over here to 1.25 and come across here to that. Hit escape. Pound sign again. Come up here. Put that in. Hit escape. Come down here to the very end. Spacebar again to repeat that command. And looks like we almost got it. Let's just do one little trim. I think we're good to go. Okay, we got our ISO in. Now what we need to do is we need to go ahead and go back to the ortho view, and we need to turn the ISO view off. Move our mouse over there and that turns it off. Just trim that out. Go back and turn on the ISO, and that doesn't show up until you drag your mouse over. Now you see it. Okay, it looks good. Let's save our file. All right, so now set ourselves to the dimension level, and let's go reference that drawing again. So we're going to do a dimension off the top from here to there. Go up. I'm going to say 0.5 up, and I'm going to hit enter, and then I'm going to double click on this. Go ahead and hit delete. 5.1234, 4 decimal places, and I'll click off here to the side. All right, back to the reference one. Okay, I see the next dimension we need to put in. It's going to be this guy right here. Come down. I'm going to come off that 0.5. Okay, that looks good. Hit enter. Now I'll double click on this, and I can take it if I want to. Whoops, didn't want to do that. Control Z. I can move him up here, which might actually look a little better. Put him there. Double click again. Hit delete and say 1.5000 double quote for inch. Okay, looking good so far. So let's go put this dimension in. Hit our dimension command. Whoops. Go up here, dimension command. Roll up on this. Snap to, make sure I got that command. Snap to this. Whoops. Control Z. We'll snap to that. Roll out. I'm going to come out here about 0.5. Okay, looks good. Okay, escape, enter. So now what I'm going to do is double click on this, and that's going to be 0.7500 double quote, and hit that delete key, and we'll click out here. Okay, let's go back and look at our reference drawing. Okay, we'll come down here and work on this front view. Roll out, scroll up, roll back in, one more time. Okay, so we'll come over here, grab our dimension command, come out here to the side. I go 0.5 out, okay, and it looks good. I'll hit enter. I'll double click on this guy here. I'm gonna hit my delete key, 2.5, 1, 2, 3. Okay, click on that. Looks pretty good. Kind of want to make this a little further out so it looks a little better. Okay, let's see if we can move this over here a little bit. Yeah, I think it looks a little better. All right, escape. Now let's go back to our reference drawing. We got to get that dimension in there. Pretty easy. Come over here to this. Snap to that one. Snap to that one. Come up here. 0.5. Looks good. Enter. Okay, double click on this. Hit our delete key. 2.5. 1, 2, 3. Double quote. Up here, go back and take a look at that. Got that in, that's good. So now we want to put the dimension from here to the bottom here, and I'm going to say okay for now. Hit escape. Okay, I'm going to do is click on that, grab this, trying to move it up here between that. I think it looks better. Okay, now I'm going to hit escape. Double click on this. I'm going to hit my delete key. I'm going to say 1.2500 double quotes. And that's in. So let's go back and look at our reference drawing. all we got to do is this part right here. So it looks pretty good. So we'll come up here to this, and we will do a dimension here, going up, let's say 0.5. Trying to make that go up. We'll click on that again. Pull this up here. Double click on that. Hit the delete key. We're going to say 0.7500 double quote. Okay, so let's roll out on that. Take a look at it. Looks pretty good. We got part 3 in there, so let's go ahead and save it. Now we got it saved, we'll go back to our layout 2, which we've modified, and we'll double click on that. Got something we got to change up here. So we'll go to model view. We need to get that one color fixed right. Go to model view. I'm going to come up here and double click on that, turn that to 5 for the dimensions, hit OK. Okay, let's go back to paper view. Now we'll do a right mouse click. We'll do a plot. We'll use our previous, and we'll go ahead, make sure we got CTB, our AutoCAD CTB. We'll hit OK. And we're going to go ahead and make that a PDF, but this time for part 3. Okay. Ortho ISO part 3. Hit save. Okay, so now what I can do is go back to that folder, my documents folder, and I can see if I can find that PDF, and that's it right there. So I'm going to do a open in Chrome. I'm going to do a rotate. Okay, looks good. So now, again, we save this file to our thumb drive, and we go over to the laser printer right there by our laser engraver, and we'll print this file off. It's good for now.